No, I'm not.
Yeah,
Do I look intimidating?
No, not at all.
Exactly. So why would you assume I was trying to intimidate you?
I want to talk to you. I do not
Just letting you know our conversation is being audio and video recorded. We're in a public place. I'm allowed to film. The reason why I'm engaging you, you can. Of course you can.
To talk to you. Stop talking
You don't have to talk, but I'm going to speak.
You.
Yeah,
Don't speak to me.
you're allowed to be quiet. I'll continue to talk.
I'm loud.
Yeah,
loud.
it's a public place.
Yeah, exactly. So
So the reason why I'm engaging you is I need to establish why you're in this public place. Okay. I need to ascertain if you are here.
Ascertain anything.
Well, mate, I'm going to afford you an opportunity to either get up and leave, or
I do not consent.
I'm going to place you under arrest.
Under arrest for what? What crime's been committed?
If you're not,
Committed?
Can I finish speaking?
What crime's been committed? You got to explain. You're threatening me with arrest.
Yeah.
What crime's been committed?
If you're not within your local LGA or you're not exercising, you are not in a public place with a reasonable excuse.
We haven't established where I live though.
Yeah, for that reason, I'm now placing you under arrest.
For what?
To establish your own. Yes.
No crime's
I'm establishing you're not wearing a face mask either.
So what?
Yeah, that's an offence.
So what? No, it's not.
Are you exempt?
Yeah, I am exempt.
Produce your exemption.
You
do.
No, I don't.
Further, you're under arrest for not producing your exemption. Yeah, you are. You're not free to leave. My name's Tan. My name's Tan. You're not free to leave. You are under arrest.
I'm free to do whatever I want. I'm a free man.
I'm telling you, you're under arrest.
You're not telling me anything.
You just heard me.
So what?
Are we just being argumentative now for the reason? Produce your ID.
I believe you're breaching the public health order.
I don't care what you believe.
Stay at home.
I don't care what you believe.
Please stand up. You're under arrest.
We don't want to have to use force to get you to the process area.
No, don't touch me.
We're asking for your cooperation.
I'm a free man. I haven't entered into a contract with you.
You're under arrest at this stage.
It's illegal.
You're under arrest.
Defend myself.
I can use reasonable amount of force if need be to get you to. Yeah.
Do not touch me. I haven't entered into a contract with you. I haven't consented to anything. I haven't agreed to
anything.
anything.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Sir, just listen.
I know what
listen
I'm talking
for 1
about.
second.
Yeah.
We have the suspicion that you are in breach.
Wait,
Based on that suspicion, you're now under arrest.
Are you listening?
Do not touch me.
Would you please stand up?
No. I haven't entered into a contract with you. I
There's
haven't
no
agreed
contract.
to anything.
New South Wales
I haven't agreed
government-
to it. I'm a free
the New
man.
South Wales
I'm a
government-
free man. Do not touch me. Do not.
Get up. Get up.
Don't
you dare.
Don't fucking touch me.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
What are you going? What are you going to do?
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. You're under arrest.
Mate, come down.
Stop your hand. Drop your hand.
Come down.
Drop your hand.
Edwin, come down. Come down. All right.
Drop your. Get on the floor. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Stop resisting. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Get on the floor. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor.
Go, bro.
Yeah. Take him to Vic. That's it. Put your head behind your back. Put your head behind your back.
Hand off you.
You alright, boys? Do a welfare check.
Hey, get him off me!
Yeah. Slow down, slow down. Slow down, breathe. We've got a hand. Slow down. We've got control here, boys. Take your time. Get your breath back.
Hey, come breathe! Alright? Hey, come stop resisting and we'll let you up, okay?
You're under arrest. Assault police. You don't have to say or do anything if you do not want to. Do you understand?
Hey, get him off me!
Boys, can I have my face mask?
Hey, get him off me! Hey! Criminal